Cryptocurrency is famous for its wild price swings. One day your investment is soaring, and the next it's crashing. But imagine a type of digital money designed to remain steady, no matter what the market does. That's the idea behind stablecoins, cryptocurrencies that aim to stay, well, stable. So what exactly is a stablecoin? Simply put, it's a digital currency that tries to keep its value consistent by linking itself to something more reliable, like a government-issued currency, gold, or even a basket of assets. The goal is predictability. While Bitcoin and Ethereum may rise or fall by double digits in a single day, a stablecoin tied to the US dollar is designed to always stay close to $1 in value. Stablecoins were created to solve one of crypto's biggest problems, volatility. Traders needed a way to move money quickly in and out of digital assets without constantly losing value. For everyday users, volatility made it hard to use crypto for simple things like payments or savings. Stablecoins emerged as the bridge between the speed of digital assets and the reliability of traditional money. Stablecoins keep their value in a few different ways. Some are backed by real-world reserves. For every coin in circulation, there's a dollar, euro, or another asset held in a bank account to support it. Others are crypto-backed. These are backed by other cryptocurrencies locked inside smart contracts. Because crypto is volatile, they often use extra collateral to keep the system safe. And finally, there are algorithmic stablecoins. Instead of reserves, these rely on computer programs that automatically adjust the supply of coins, expanding or shrinking it to hold the price steady. Some of the most popular stablecoins today include Tether, or USDT, the most widely used stablecoin, pegged to the US dollar. USD Coin, or USDC, backed by reserves and managed with transparency by major financial firms. And DAI, a crypto-backed stablecoin governed by the MakerDAO community. Each of these coins takes a slightly different approach, but all share the same mission, to stay steady and predictable. Stablecoins are more than just a safe place to park money in the crypto world. They've become essential building blocks for decentralized finance, often called DeFi. They make it possible to lend, borrow, and earn interest without relying on banks. They're also used for remittances, letting people send money across borders instantly and often with lower fees than traditional systems. And for traders, stablecoins act like a digital version of cash, letting them quickly move in and out of markets. Imagine paying for a cup of coffee in crypto. If you used Bitcoin, the price could swing 5% before the payment even clears. But with a stablecoin tied to the dollar, both you and the coffee shop know the value stays the same. That's why stablecoins are seen as the most practical digital currency for everyday payments and online commerce. Of course, stablecoins aren't perfect. Their stability depends on what's backing them. If a coin claims to be fully backed by dollars, but those dollars aren't really there, trust can vanish overnight. We've seen this happen, most notably with the collapse of the TerraUSD algorithmic stablecoin in 2022, which wiped out billions of dollars in value. Regulators around the world are now paying closer attention, raising questions about transparency, reserves, and how stablecoins should fit into the financial system. Looking ahead, stablecoins may play an even bigger role. Central banks are exploring their own digital currencies called CBDCs, and many experts think stablecoins could be the stepping stone that bridges today's crypto world with tomorrow's official digital money. Whether it's for global payments, online finance, or simply sending money to friends, stablecoins are shaping the future of money. So what are stablecoins? They're digital currencies designed to stay steady, combining the speed of crypto with the dependability of traditional money. They bring huge potential, faster payments, new financial systems, and more accessible money worldwide. But they also carry risks that need careful attention. As the world of digital money grows, stablecoins are likely to remain at the center of the story.